Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have local access rights and that Windows is running normally. Next, press the Windows key plus R to open Run, type Directx and press Enter. If Windows asks to check drivers or collect information, allow it. This ensures Directx can gather accurate graphics and audio data. Once Directx opens, you'll see a System tab first. Make sure to stay on that tab so you can view the Directx version field immediately. On the System tab, find the Directx version line. That number is the version installed. Once done, switch to the Display tab to verify the GPU driver version and Direct 3D feature levels. These tell you what Directx features your hardware supports versus what's merely installed. Make sure to compare feature level numbers to the Directx version you need for apps or games. If multiple displays appear, check each display tab to ensure all GPUs report compatible feature levels. To finalize, update Windows and your GPU drivers. Windows Update installs Directx runtime updates, while the GPU vendor site provides driver-level feature support. After updating, rerun Directx and click Save All Information to create a text file you can reference or share. If an application still fails, open the saved Directx text and inspect the notes section for errors. This single troubleshooting tip often reveals missing runtimes or driver conflicts that block specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.